Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mission English. Today we are going to learn a beautiful English story. Okay, then let's begin. The Little Promise. Anita was a young girl who loved drawing. Every evening she sat near the window and made small sketches in her notebook. One day her father saw her drawing a beautiful house. He smiled and said, Anita, your drawings are getting better every day. Anita felt very happy. Her father then made a small promise. He said, if you practice every day for a month, I will buy a big drawing kit. Anita agreed immediately and she wanted the drawing kit more than anything. The next morning, Anita woke up early and started drawing. She practiced shading, coloring, and drawing new objects. Some days were busy, but some days were difficult. On difficult days, she felt tired and wanted to stop, but she remembered her father's promise and continued her practice. After 1 month, Anita showed her notebook to her father. Every page was filled with beautiful drawings. Her father hugged her and said, I am proud of you. Then he gave her the new drawing kit. Anita learned an important lesson. When we keep our promises and work regularly, we can achieve anything. She continued drawing every day, not for the gift, but for her own happiness. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mission English and keep learning. See you soon.